Alrighty. September the 24th, 2017. Sunday morning, 10:30 a.m. I happen to be at Kittle Clan, and yeah, they're around all night. Like I'm staying right in. Like, even though it's a road I park on, I'm still amongst. Like, the road would be just cleared from that tree, say right there in the middle, over to that stump there. That's how wide the road is. But then the rest is all forest. You don't get to see in as well as we're seeing inside right now, because they have it's pretty fenced off, like with tree growth, walled off with tree growth, that kind of stuff. And that's great for hiding in and amongst. So anyways, all night I've been going with hearing them different times, through a coyote call or something like that. I'm not saying continuously, but I mean a few different night times in the night when I was up, I was registering them. See, the roadside is just back that way, so you can't even see the road. Yeah. So anyways, I know, like, from the very beginning, I just want to tape it all, and I just want to share it all. Some people think I put too much up, but I don't even put it all up. And the reason is because I actually walk amongst with them. You know, there's not a reason for them to be scared here. And there's maybe a reason to be curious. And I believe if we all tapped into it, we would realize they are curious type creatures, animals, beings. So who wouldn't want to hide out here, eh? See, now you can see the road just right there. So I just wanted to do that bit. I'll stand here and do a little zoom in or something. So what happens, and then I'm going to shut her off, and I'm going to walk into my place that I want to walk into. Big, beautiful trees around here, I'm telling you. Once again, the spot I'm gonna walk back into, I looked at my photos, and I end up realizing that I'm seeing some where I found my location of the big log. So for you who didn't know that, that's what I'm doing, or that's what I was out here yesterday doing all day. I was looking for a location of a log. then last night in the evening, looking through some pictures, because that's where I have the little critters and a couple of pictures that I brought out for people to be able to see. And I just kind of fluked across them too. I was looking for something else in the area, which I also found those, and I believe it was a couple of eyes go down. But yeah, so I actually know the location now through looking at the picture. I realized I had stumbled across it. I looked it over and thought, nah, this can't be the spot. And I think the reason I was doing that is I was thinking that the suspect would have been way further back than what I got them in the shot. So having said that, I'm very curious of what's going to go down in the looks there. I even looked to the area where I thought, well, then she would have been over there. A big male, he wouldn't have been able to be in the picture then. I'm kind of thinking of stuff. And so that might be a pretty cool thing that's going to go down here. Peace out from the Tinman. Hopefully we did get some stuff going on, you know what I'm knowing about?